Come on. Open this up some. Stay. Yeah, so we had to check for some kind of core support leak or something. Some water there, but she's blowing soot, so we're gonna put this is what it was tuned with. I have the one piece that he fabbed up at the dyno, put the downstream O2 sensor in. I'll get it connected in, get it all cleaned up. Yeah, so we'll get that connected on there. Then we'll have a downstream at least, and I'm gonna kind of not so much fun. Oh, I gotta clean some soot up now, but the carrier bearing. Yeah. So that's happening. That's happening now. So yeah. So we I got the I got the exhaust mid on with the downstream. Trying to clean some stuff up down here too. But yeah. Anyways, I got I'm doing some sealing on my shifter. And then this guy that's coming. More cleaning. I gotta love that fucking exhaust, man. Clean that shit off. Got her off. Carrier bearings on the way, literally. Like, oh yeah. That's how it came off the car. 420 to the wheels, baby. It's off. Exhaust is on, baby. Just dumps out the sides. Get in there. Let's go.